Hello everyone, in front of me Vivo X23, and in this video I'll show you how to restore data from backup. So first go to settings, scroll down, go to more settings, now go to backup and reset, and tap on restore data. Now you can choose Google server. It's enabled. It's automatic restore. If after reinstalling an app, the backup settings and data will be restored. But if you wanna restore contacts or messages, go to Vivo Cloud and choose contacts, messages, web bookmarks, notes, or blacklist. Let's choose contacts and restore, and it's complete. That's all. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe. Bye.